all hopefully are having an amazing day. Today I'm going to show you how to make the easiest TIE fighter ever. Tomorrow I will be showing you how to make a different type of TIE fighter, a Sith Lord TIE fighter. But let's get into this video. These are all the blocks that you need. If you don't have these blocks, you can make all of them grey. This is just to make it look cooler, but yeah, let's get into the video. First, build the black blocks so they look like this, and you need 4 of them looking like that. Then get the grey blocks, add 2 grey blocks onto the top of 2 and 2 grey blocks onto the bottom of 2. Then get this piece and place these blocks that have the grey on the top on top of it, and the blocks that have the grey on the bottom of it. That's the main TIE fighter. Now we are moving on to a bit of decoration. But before I do that, make sure to subscribe and like this video if it was helpful. And subscribe too if you want more content from me. So yeah, moving on. Then place the 2 green underneath it. Now moving on to the stairs. This is an extra, so you don't have to build these, but it looks cool if you do. You are going to need these blocks, and it's pretty simple. Place that on top of there, that on top of there, and that on top of there, and there you have the stairs. And done. Make sure you have the green dots facing away from the stairs, because those are the blasters and the TIE fighter will take off like that. So yeah, tell me what you think about this in the comments. Have a great and safe rest of your day, and I'll catch you all next time. Bye guys.